You are also a partner at Bootstrap Ventures. Can you speak to what you're doing in innovation and funding?
We got into this very much at the early stage, very much at the brand new, hey, let's give this a try. We have done things like telehealth, telemedicine, so that you could interact with an emergency physician when you're still in your home, which can become very important in terms of speed and convenience, and things like weather. If you're far away or if there's a storm, emergency doctor who kind of came up with the idea, his sister had just had a baby. They lived in Colorado, and she called her brother, who was in San Francisco practicing medicine, and said there was a blizzard and she'd have to go out in the cold. And she didn't know if the baby was sick enough to justify taking the risk of going out in the cold and driving on the snow and the ice. He said, let me look at the baby and everything. And he says, when you're a doctor, pretty soon you figure out you can look at their eyes, you can look at their skin, and you go, they're okay, or no, you got to go. And it's almost like having a doctor in your pocket. We're also in life science. We really dabble in things having to do with direct patient care, like MD Revolution, things like a convenience app for patients and for providers, so that if there's a cancellation and the provider would like to get the patient in to fill a slot, they can be directly connected, and it doesn't have to go through the whole rigmarole of going through the insurance company and things like that, being able to pay directly, those kinds of things. So it's a way for patients to be more like consumers in healthcare. We've been in life science trying to support scientists, creating a marketplace for researchers to get access to materials they need. We can connect researchers from around the world because many of the assays that are done to develop a new drug or a new therapy require scientists with expertise in various parts of the world without having to be physically in the same space.